Hey, it's Elana from Ohana Getaways, and if you want to see a little bit from Universal Studios Florida, check out the video I have here for you. We have everything from the Wizarding World to Seuss Landing and Marvel Superhero Island, so I'm not going to waste too much time here in the intro. I hope you enjoy our little tour through Universal, and also make sure to check out the room at Royal Pacific. It was really a great room. So without further ado, here's the video. Here we are in a standard king room at Lowe's Royal Pacific. Starting on the left, bathroom, nice big mirror, lots of space for all of your stuff. Glass shower door, nice big shower with a little pocket door here so you can close off the shower and lady toilet. That's always handy. I'm really digging the big mirror. I love it. Hello. To the right, we have a fairly large closet with your standard safe and ironing board, all that good stuff. You can fit your luggage in there. Lots of space here. And here's the room. King size bed. Let's start on the right. We have TV in the dresser, and in the little cabinet there is a single serve coffee maker, which they have stocked here for us. And oh, somebody left the fridge open a little fridge, which actually holds a lot. There's a lot of beverages in there. Where's that shut? All right. Coming over here, we have like a desk, table, and chairs area. I thought it was nice that there's two chairs, so if you want to sit and like play cards or in your downtime, you can. Here's the view from our room. If you can see a little bit of theme park view here. Lots of landscaping. It's really pretty. Everything's really pretty at this resort. It has a Pacific Island feel. And over here we have a little sofa, which is also a pull-out bed, which is cool. We will probably keep this closed because it's just the two of us, but it's nice to have a sofa. And our bed, and a little art on the walls that is a fire dancer, yeah. So that's cool. So this is our room, Lowe's Royal Pacific. Lovely, lovely room.
make your way to the security office, where your Gringotts identification photo will be taken. Then, go directly to the office at the end of the corridor. From there, you will be escorted to the vaults. Well, that's all. Move along.
Into the strange vault. I know it. Then to the cops, quickly!
my good side.
Yeah.
What's your name, miss?
Elena,
Hi, Elena. And who are you here with, Elena?
my husband Eric.
Eric, what's happening, man? Oh, I am in the window.
He wants to know where the Jaws ride is.
The what?
Jaws!
I have no idea what that is, man.
Jaws. Well, it doesn't exist anymore. Harry Potter took it over.
Well, then that's where it is.
You must ignore the goblin signs.
Oh, and should you happen upon a dragon monster, please alert a member of the staff and run. Not necessarily in that order. Thanks.
I hope you enjoyed that tour of Universal Studios Florida. We had an amazing trip. I think that if you are comfortable traveling now is actually a great time to go. The crowds are low. You have plenty of time to hit all the rides there without long waits. And if you're interested in booking a trip to Universal Studios Florida or Disney Cruise Line for next year, any of those type of trips, please go ahead and comment below, get in contact with me. You will find my email below as well, Elana at Ohana Getaways. And just thank you for watching and thanks for joining me.